Now our topic is uniform circular motion. So to study this, first of all we are having square motion. So is for example A, B, C, D are the vertices of this square path. So if we are moving from A to B and then B to C, some velocity change is here. Its magnitude changes by little bit. Then again, if we are moving from C to D, again at this point we are having some change in magnitude. Velocity have some changes because of change of direction, and similarly from D to A we are having change on this vertices point. Similarly, if we are having a hexagon, means a hexagon have total 6 corners, so all 6 corners have some little bit changes because of the that corners, right? So when we are moving from A to B, C, D, E and F, right, last A, so on every vertices point we are having some magnitude change in magnitude of speed. But if any object is moving circularly, so its velocity is changing, means its direction is continuously changes, but its magnitude can remain constant. So we are having same magnitude. So that's why we can call uniform circular motion. So uniform circular motion is, for example, if we just tied some stone with string and just rotate like this, so that stone having uniform circular motion, but its velocity continuously changes because of changes its direction. So magnitude changes. Now if I want to find velocity of this particular traveling, so v is equal to, for one rotation we are having 2 pi r. So path length of that rotation is 2 pi r and time taken to complete that rotation is capital T. So capital T is our periodic time and that path is 2 pi r. So velocity, or we can say speed, for that particular traveling is 2 pi r upon T. Again for this we have unit, and that is meter second inverse or kilometer hour inverse. So here magnitude can remain constant, but velocity isn't constant here. So there are so many example of uniform circular motion. Is for example fan. Fan is moving, right, rotating from some particular axis. So it is having uniform circular motion. Like electron is revolving around the nucleus, it also have that uniform circular motion. Similarly, earth is moving around the sun, uniform circular motion, right? So these are the example of uniform circular motion.